fix Windows slow internet issue. To fix Windows slow internet issue, try 1. Disable peer-to-peer update. To do so, turn off allow downloads from other PCs, or update from more than one place. You may also set Windows Update. To run manually. 2. Adjust the internet. Bandwidth settings. Enable limit reservable bandwidth in Group Policy Editor, badite.msc. Administrative templates Network QoS packet scheduler. Then set 0 to that entry. 3. Update your Wi-Fi or network adapter drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 4. Repair system files. Run SFC and DISM command as administration 5. Disable Windows auto tuning. Run NetShare interface TCP show global command as admin. See if receive window auto tuning level has been set to normal. If yes, run NetShare in TCP set global auto tuning level equals disabled command as admin. 6. Disable large send offload, LSO, V2, IPv4 and IPv6, via debug.msc. 7. Check installed apps and clean potential spyware, viruses, using the recommended Avast Internet Security in this video guide, and other unknown programs, PUPs, potentially unwanted programs, Browser add-ons. 8. Reboot your router. Reset your network settings, then run Windows Internet Connections Troubleshooter and then run the following commands as admin, netshare in TCP set global auto tuning level equals disable netshare in IP reset netshare add firewall reset netshare winsock reset IP protocol configuration slash flushins IP protocol configuration slash renew test your speeds by accessing speedtest.net and contact your ISP in the meantime. 9. Change Windows Update Time. 10. Check background applications via Task Manager. And check let apps run in the background section as well. Note, here are some commonly used bandwidth consuming applications, torrent related applications, aka peer-to-peer, P2P, cloud storage applications like Dropbox, Microsoft OneNote, and Google Drive, antivirus software, Steam for Windows, graphics card driver applications such as NVIDIA GeForce Experience. 11. Use an open source DNS, change your DNS server. 12. Disable your firewall, temporarily. 13. Check your router configurations. And review and change your connections. We recommend using WAN-based connection. And disable guest connection, if you do not use this feature. 14. Disable your VPN or use a different or faster VPN server. 15. Check if the required network services in services.msc are running. They are, COM plus event system, for WZC issues, diagnostic policy service, DHCP client, DNS client, network connections, network location awareness, remote procedure call, RPC, server, TCP/IP NetBIOS helper, WLAN autoconfig, workstation.